Hello, this is my 10th lecture on matrices. I'm Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Given some example of orthogonal matrix first. So here you can see whatever the matrix given. Here in orthogonal matrix, we are to multiply A and A dash together. So if the A is the matrix, then A dash is the transpose of A, which can be obtained by changing row to columns and columns to row. And then taking the multiplication of A dash and also A dash A, we find that whose value is equal to 1. So, whose value is I, matrix I3 of third three road matrix. So, we prove that A dash A is equal to I. So, A is a orthogonal matrix proved. Next, another problem I have given. Please do it at home. It is very easy. Now, I will give some, I have given some example of a matrix given on example 6. Please try it at home. This is also a homework. Now I will explain, prove that the matrix, the given 1 plus I by 2 or minus 1 plus I by 2, whatever you can see on your screen, that is a unitary matrix. Unitary matrix means you have to find A to the power theta. So A to the power theta is nothing but first taking the transpose and then the conjugate, or first taking the conjugate of A and then taking the transpose that equal to A theta. So here you can see on your screen, I have taken first the A transpose, and A transpose means converting rows into columns. We get the matrix A dash. Now A theta means A dash the bar. Bar means conjugate. Bar means if it is in the form A plus IB, then after taking the bar, it will become the real part will remain the same, but the imaginary part sign changes. If it is imaginary part, the sign is plus. Then after taking a bar, we get the negative in the imaginary part and so on. So A dash bar. So for the first entry, we see that minus 1 plus I after taking the bar is changed to minus 1. 1 plus I by 2 it is given, so which is changed, 1 remains as it is, and imaginary part becomes negative, so 1 minus I by 2. In the second also 1 minus I by 2, and in the second row we see minus 1 minus I by 2, and the last value 1 plus I by 2. Now, for to show that it is a unitary matrix, we have to multiply A theta and A. You got the A theta as above, and multiplying with the original value of A, we will get the value as we can see on your screen, and this is equal to I2, that is unit matrix of order 2. So it is a unitary matrix proved. So this is very easy. You please try it out at home so that you can do it on your home. But the examples I have given or quoted here, which are also very important, because when there is a problem, and the A part, when there is a problem, in the B part there is an examples. So examples are also very important. So as well as you do the problem, also do the examples, otherwise 50% you will lose. Verify that the matrix is orthogonal. Example 8, you try it at home. Now I will give an example. Show that A is an orthogonal matrix, then A dash and A inverse is orthogonal. Both are very, very important. A is orthogonal, that means A dash A is equal to I. Now taking the inverse on both sides, A dash A the inverse, A dash A the dash, that is transpose of A dash is equal to I dash, and it is invertible. So first a dash, then a dash, the dash is equal to I dash is equal to I. So it becomes a dash into a dash, the dash. That means a dash is orthogonal. A dash into a dash, the dash is equal to I. That means a dash is orthogonal. Now, again, A is orthogonal, that means A dash A is I. This implies A dash A, the inverse, is also equal to A inverse. We did this earlier. So, A inverse, taking the inverse, it alters second value first, then the first value. So A inverse, then A dash, the inverse is equal to I, because I inverse is also equal to I. So A inverse into A inverse, the dash is equal to I. So A inverse into A dash inverse is equal to I. So A dash inverse is equal to A inverse the dash. Again, I am saying A inverse the dash is equal to, sorry, A dash inverse is equal to A inverse the dash. That's why A inverse into A inverse the dash is equal to I. So A inverse is orthogonal. So today this much only. Thank you. This is very important example. Please try this at home. Oh, today this much only. Thank you.